We'll guide you through how to cancel your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Perhaps you no longer use the Microsoft 365 or Office apps, and so you want to go and cancel your subscription because otherwise you go and have to pay every single month and you get billed. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and cancel it step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and open up a web browser. So I'm going to use Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. Now here you can go and head to the Microsoft site. So you can go and type in Microsoft and come to Microsoft.com. In the top right, you can go and press sign in like so. Here you then need to go and sign into your account. So enter in your password. So enter in your email or number, and then you can go and enter in your password and we can go and be signed in. As you can see, we now are. Now go and click your profile picture in the top right, and you need to go down and press view account. Wait for this to load. When this goes and loads, at the top here, it should go and tell you your subscriptions. As you can see, press it to the left here, and you're going to go and see the subscription you have. So what you can then do is go and head to the top right of the subscription where it says manage, and you can click there. And at the bottom, you'll go and see the option for cancel subscription. So you can go and click there like so, and go and wait. And it's then going to go and give you an option to go and switch to a different plan. But if you're sure you want to go and cancel it, you can go down and go and press cancel subscription like so. And like that, the subscription has now been cancelled. That's it.